Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're diving into how you can access the Indian version of Netflix right here on your Mac. It's easier than you might think. First things first, you'll need a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, lets you connect to the internet through servers in other countries. To get started, open up your web browser and search for a VPN. For this tutorial, we're using IPVanish. You can find a link in the description below, and in the pinned comment, to get a special discount. Once you're on the IPVanish site, hover over Apps in the top navigation and click Mac. On the Mac download page, hit that Download App button. Choose where you want to save the installer. I'm putting mine on the desktop for easy access. After the installer's downloaded, open it up. Just drag the IPVanish logo into your Applications folder. This might take a few seconds, depending on your Mac's speed. Once it's installed, you can close the installer window and even delete the installer file from your desktop if you want. Now, let's launch IPVanish. I'm going to use Launchpad. The first time you open it, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to open it. Click Open. You'll then be taken to the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details and log in. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, seriously, check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. You can get a pretty sweet discount. When you log in for the first time, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Just click Allow. Now you're ready to roll. Next, open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign in and select your profile. In my experience, this works better in Google Chrome than Safari, just a heads up. Now, minimize your browser window. Open up the IPVanish app, and in the left-hand menu, select Locations. Find a server in India. Click on it, and after a few seconds, you'll be successfully connected. Your internet will now appear as if it's coming from India. Minimize the VPN app and go back to your browser. Now, refresh the Netflix page. After a moment, you should see the Indian version of Netflix. Scroll down, and you might even see something like Top 10 TV Programs in India Today. Just pick whatever you want to watch and start streaming. Remember to use the link in the description or the pinned comment for an exclusive discount on IPVanish. That's how you can watch Indian Netflix on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. This has been my personal experience. Your results may vary.